In this section, we're going to go over ghost zones. What a ghost zone is an area of price where you're not sure if your support and resistance fit, and you keep moving it and it looks better at one part, and then once you've moved it, you're not sure and you put it back. Because obviously what a ghost zone is, it's where a mass amount of traders will be looking at a level, could be a psychological level, where another mass of traders would not be looking at it. And what happens is it creates two zones that are very, very close to each other. A lot of pivot points are literally right on where ghost zones are. So I'm going to cover this in the pivot points video. In how I deal with ghost zones, what I tend to do is, if you notice this blue line I'm about to draw through, the price has almost really been pushed down. And if we was to draw a level across there, you will see that you've got a point of where this market is touched. Yeah? So it's created another area of resistance. Shall we move the zone down and have a look? Well, we can do, so we can move the zone right the way down. Obviously, it throws all our repaintment levels out. And does it look best fit? Well, it does fit very well, but we've still lost a lot of all this data. Yeah, and this zone looks too small now. So what we're going to tend to do is we're going to just undo that quickly, put our zone back to where it was, and I will draw a ghost zone in. With ghost zones, a bit like our smaller intraday support and resistance, I'll just change it a different colour. If I haven't got any smaller time frame support and resistance, my favourite is orange for this. So I'm just going to snap an orange line onto the screen. You can see where the price is really turning there. Obviously, we're touching. And then I will just draw my 15 pip zone. But with my ghost zone, I will keep it solid lines. I won't go dash because it can get quite confusing. And when you stare at screens for quite a long time, it can hurt the eyes. So roughly about 14, 15 pips, there we are. So I've put a ghost zone in. So what this ghost zone is doing is, if the price reaches this ghost zone, I start seeing some indecision and the market starts turning round. What I'll do, once I've had confirmation, I will pull all my zones down into the ghost zone. 99% of the time, I don't actually ever move a ghost zone because it will just get broken and plow straight through and normally bounce off my original idea. Okay, so I just wanted to cover just quickly what a ghost zone exactly was.